With a relentless commitment to solving big challenges, Stanford fuels innovation, translating ideas from the lab into real-world impact. Let's hear from faculty and alums, recent graduates to industry leaders, who are turning groundbreaking research into bold action.
So over the past 20 years in my Stanford lab, we are not only doing innovation, but also translate innovation into the real world. I myself have started roughly close to 8 companies. Academic institution like Stanford is really the place which can work on a very risky idea to demonstrate the concept, remove the risk, and look down to the road and take those ideas into the real world to make them successful.
There's a reason Stanford has one of the strongest startup ecosystems in the world. This place is teeming with people who have founded companies, are founding, or who want to found. Ideas are everywhere. I'm Jade Marcus. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Mafix. Mafix is creating the next generation of fertilizers that can both enhance yields for staple crops like corn and rice and remove CO2 through a process known as enhanced rock weathering. At Stanford, I'm a PhD candidate in chemical engineering. About 2 years ago, I started working on transforming abundant minerals and rocks into more reactive products that could be deployed to remove gigatons of CO2 from the atmosphere while providing tangible benefits for food production, all while using existing infrastructure.
Stanford is a really fascinating place because it's not just where lots of brilliant technical minds come, but it's also where a lot of people who know the technologies that will change the world start right here on campus. I started my career in the oil and gas industry. I was a drilling engineer in the oil fields of West Texas, where I actually first had the ideas for how we could improve how geothermal is developed. But I also realized as an early career engineer, I didn't know what the right next step would be. So I started thinking about graduate school. I looked up what's the best university in the world for entrepreneurship, and it was Stanford. Then I looked up what's the best university in the world for geothermal research, and it was Stanford. So it was clearly meant to be.
At Fervo Energy, we really founded the company around the thesis that we could leverage new technology innovations from the oil and gas sector and apply them to geothermal in ways that make our projects more cost-effective and more scalable. Geothermal energy is clean, it's a renewable resource, and it's an always-on reliable energy resource. As the needs of the grid become more challenging, geothermal is really one of the key technologies that's able to scale rapidly over the near term.
I'm James, co-founder and CEO of Teradot, a carbon removal company decarbonizing Earth's atmosphere. I was previously an undergraduate at Stanford where I studied symbolic systems. We were fortunate to get help from multiple professors to go from idea to actually a pilot in the field in Mexico to ultimately starting the company. And I think something that was really unique about Stanford was it wasn't just pushing us toward, oh, this is going to be a PhD and let's go work for the next 15 years to research this. It was, how do we build the solution at scale now and getting the resources and support to actually be able to pursue that. I don't think there's any other place on earth that offers that.
Stanford has very open culture, highly entrepreneurial, and it's deeply embedded into Silicon Valley system. This really offers the whole ecosystem to our students and faculty, going from ideas to market, ideas to society.
The world is going to need to remove billions of tons of carbon from the atmosphere, and that will probably be one of the hardest things that humanity has ever tried to do. And I think having the opportunity to play a small role in achieving that is a life's work.